So here is 1 mile. What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. Never flown here before. I decided to go ahead and send the Long Ranger GEPRC Vapor-D6 6-inch with a long range antennas. I hope you will enjoy the ride. Buckle up. Let's go. Whoa, I hit the tree right in takeoff. I hit this tree because I was sitting underneath it. I just want to make sure everything is okay before we go on top of the water, since I hit that tree. I think it's gonna be fine, but just to make sure. It's a nice spot. I've never been here before. Power lines. Yep, bright accident at takeoff. Woo. So here is the scenery. It's beautiful. I guess I was too close to that tree. Beach and people are swimming right here. We were planning going on this fishing pier, but there is construction going on here. This is a fishing area for the kids. They come in here in families. Woo! Almost hit that bird. Woo! That was very close. We're sitting here obviously far away from people, so we won't bother them with our drone and they won't bother us. Someone is fishing here. That's nice. Like I said earlier, this is just exploration. It's nothing special other than I'm sending the 6-inch to do what the 6-inch best to do. Open areas. And it likes to go far, obviously. Nice. Let's go ahead and buzz the tower. Let's look at the area. I'm gonna climb to 300 feet, probably 350 maximum, just to see where we dealing with here in this area. Looks beautiful from up here. I think that's the port over there, where they unload ships and stuff like that. Someone is texting me. I cannot answer now. A lot of refineries in this area. This is a refinery area, a lots of them. I don't know if you see all the way in the back over there. A lot of oil coming out of the Gulf, y'all. And with the prices of fuel up like this right now, you wonder why it's expensive. I don't want to get in politics, but someone is benefiting right now. Not me, not you, someone else. 350 feet. Looking at the beach. Refineries in the background. Signal is solid. I'm getting 60 miles per second right now. I am about only 700 feet away. Not far at all. $900 milliamp in the battery. My limit is 1760. I have it right there on the screen to remind myself when I change different drones. I have the limits of the milliamp hours. And it says 1760 if you see it on the left hand side. And of course I'm using the voltage at the same time, so combination of both. Long Ranger, solid drone, y'all. This is a very solid one. I'm not sure if you can hear the water, the waves on the beach is so beautiful. I'm flying at the same time listening to it, so that's nice. I'm getting close to 400, so I'm gonna go down a little here. Signal is full, man. Signal is really full. Very nice. I'm gonna get it to 1 mile and come back. I know I can go more, but I wasn't planning on this trip and I'm not quite sure about things around, so here is 1 mile. Oh, that's a nice building here. I wonder what is that? Is someone's house? Looks like it. So I'm getting an HD signal here, but still 26 megabyte per second video, so I'm solid. If it gets close to 5, that's when I need to start preparing, triggering the failsafe, I mean the GPS rescue. I'm not trusting the failsafe yet on this thing here. I've been having issues with it, not only with this drone, all 04 Pro units, they all have the same issue. That I lose vision, I lose video, but the remote signal is still there, so I'm not able to see, and the drone thinks I'm still in control. That's a very bad thing. I'm fixing to make a video about it. So I decided to be always on the safe side. If the signal start going out, I'll just hit the GPS rescue and let it come back. Okay, we have 1400 on the milliamp hour battery. 9 minutes of flying, not bad. Coming back to our area. Runway in sight. Gear down. Flaps on. Beautiful. Watch out, birds. It's been raining. It's been raining hard. That's why the grounds are wet. There are power lines over there I gotta watch for. I still have a battery. Earlier I was looking here, I saw some fishes jumping out of the water. I don't know if you can catch them. I don't know what you call these fishes, but they're jumping out of the water, man. Here, I saw one here. Here it is, you saw it? I call them flying fish. All right, so I'm getting low on the battery, but it's still good. 1760 is 80% of that battery. But that was cool, man, that flying fish. I'm glad I caught it. I've been sitting here watching them for some time. My wife is flying her drone. I'm bringing it back. All right. It's back in one piece, y'all. Not bad at all. 5 miles and 5.5 miles in total. Okay. Let's go ahead and get it. The Long Ranger. No plans, just a new spot and a drone. Sometimes that's all what you need. Thanks for exploring with me, and I hope you enjoy the video. We'll see you on the next one.